Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to the Izzy Budgeting and Coupon community. Appreciate everyone clicking on today's video. For anyone that's new to my channel, my name is Araseli, and I'm on a journey to gain financial freedom and be debt-free. My overall goal is to learn how to spend and save money with the purpose and goals in mind. My channel includes all budget-related, cash envelope stuffing videos, and as an added bonus, couponing videos, as I believe the two can go hand in hand to help you save more money. But before I jump in today's video, I did receive some happy mail, so let's go ahead and start with the happy mail first. But first, a big shout out to BudgetsByZadora. She was doing a giveaway a couple of weeks ago for reaching her goal on TikTok, and she invited our budgeting group to participate in the giveaway. Long story short, I won the binder with the envelopes. So let's go ahead and open up the happy mail now. I specifically waited for this video to open and see what they look like because no one else would understand my excitement but the budgeting community. To everyone else, this is probably just simply a binder and envelopes, but to me, it represents someone believing in me, my journey, and making a difference in my life. I'm so excited. I feel like it's Christmas all over again. So let's see here. Let's see. Nice. Looks like there's actually some extra stuff in here. What does that say? Oh, good things are coming. That is awesome. Oh, wow. And actually, I don't even want to rip the sticker here. But thank you, BudgetsByZadora, for doing this. So let me go ahead and open it. I'll be careful, or at least try to be careful here. Awesome. And then here's good things are coming. Thank you. And then congrats on winning. I hope you enjoy your goodies. Be blessed by Zadora. Awesome. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. Well, not only is this my favorite color, but it comes with 5 envelopes, the exact number of my future funds. So let's see here. What's inside here? Of course, extra goodies in here. Ooh, what's in this folder here? Oh, here we go. A cash breakdown. Ooh, I definitely need this when I go into the bank. And then money placeholders. Wow. BudgetByZadora, you must really believe in me with this 1,000 money placeholder here. Awesome. And then we got some budget worksheets here. Nice, nice. And then let's look at the envelopes here. Aww. So I did request, these are specifically my future fund envelopes here that I'm going to start saving for this year. So we have a new chapter in life, emergency folder here, funds envelope, self-care, retirement, and celebrations. These are awesome. Thank you once again, BudgetByZadora. I enjoyed this. This is awesome. Thank you so much. So I did, I'm going to leave her information in the description box below. So go support her as she has her own YouTube channel also. But again, this is awesome. Go ahead and put this away here. So I'm gonna put this stuff aside for now, but stay tuned for a next video as I'm gonna definitely start using my envelopes. One thing that I do want to say about our budget community is that I've noticed that it's so supportive. We're all full of different personalities on different journeys, but I'm always amazed with the creativity, which has also inspired me to be a little bit more creative myself. So let's go ahead, I'll put this here to this side for now. But back to today's video, saving over $5,000 by not increasing my income. Now, I've been budgeting off and on for many years now, and I've tried different budgeting systems like the 80-20 rule of thumb. There's also a 50-30-20 rule of thumb. I don't know if you've heard about probably more likely the the zero-based budgeting, and then the budget using the cash envelope system, which is the one that I'm utilizing today. However, if you've been following my journey, it's obvious that I simply don't make enough or have much money left over from my paychecks to save towards all my future funds or the savings challenges, unless I work overtime or make money off of couponing. However, I made it a goal this year to intentionally save for more, and that way I can incorporate future funds into my budgeting journey. Now, typically most individuals would either increase their income or decrease their expenses to have extra money. But I've already explored those two options and decided on a third option to utilize future money to save towards my future envelopes and saving challenges. Meaning I'm gonna use future money that I expect to receive this year, such as a refund, extra paychecks, a job bonus, and extra money that I expect from a raise in my job. So since I'm a visual learner, let me show you how I envision to make this happen. So I went back and I used last year's numbers to give me a good estimate of what I expect for future money this year. So last year I received $1,650 from a tax refund. And then last year there were 2 months in the year where there was an extra paycheck, so that equals $2,500. Now, there are many changes at my work, so I don't know what a bonus will look like this year. So I'm gonna leave this blank for now. If it happens, then I'll just have more money to add to my future funds. And finally, the extra money received from my raise at work last year I calculated was $1,785. So just based off these numbers, the grand total I estimate for this year that I can save towards future funds is $5,935 in future money. Wasn't I just complaining I didn't have money to save? This is definitely an eye-opener. So let me ask this. I'm going to challenge you. Give this a try and see what your potential total for future money looks like. And leave me a comment down below how you plan to use this future money. So this is my plan to save money without raising my income. But more importantly, the overall goal should not only be the amount you save, but taking back control and telling your money what to do instead of your money telling you what to do or how to live your life. So let's go ahead and look at my budget breakdown and get started with cash envelope stuffing for my first paycheck of February. I can't believe it's already February. Time is just moving too fast these days. So let's start off with my income category here. So my current take-home amount is $1,250. Keep in mind, I'm going to continue to use this amount for the rest of the year. Under extra money, I did work some overtime, $95. And then future money is blank, as I don't expect a raise until next month. However, in the meantime, I will be putting the extra money towards future funds and saving challenges. So that brings my income total to $1,345. So let's go ahead and start counting. So we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700. 51, 52, 53, that brings it to 1,000, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 80, so that's going to bring it to 1,280, 10, 20, 30, 40, so that brings it to 1,320, and then 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, brings it to $1,345. So next, under bills category, so with every first paycheck of the month, I'm always checking to see if there's any changes in rates to ensure that I'm budgeting correctly. But luckily, no changes this month. So let's go ahead and start off with mortgage. It's going to get its usual $375. So let's see, 350, 75. Let's go ahead and cross that off there. And And then next, under utilities, my electric bill is finally going down slowly so I can start to budget less. So today I'm going to budget 160. So 150, 60. And then next I have internet 20. For cell phone, I also have budgeted 20. Let's see here. TV subscriptions is going to get $10. Okay, good there. Under transportation, that's for car payment. It's going to get its usual 100. Cross that off. And then for insurance, car, so I have budgeted $30. So let's just go ahead and do 20, 30 there. So that takes care of the bills category. So what I'll do, I'll just go ahead and put that money in the bills envelope here. And then that way, until next paycheck, when it's time to take the money to the bank and pay these bills online. So moving on to debt here. Now, I am a firm believer in maintaining your current lifestyle that you enjoy while still paying off your debt. So no matter the reason or even the actual amount of your debt, simply just have a plan, budget, pay it off, and move on. Please don't stress, and especially don't lose sleep over your debt. Not only is it not healthy for you, but it simply doesn't solve the problem. I know it's easier said than done, but remember, that debt didn't happen yesterday, so don't expect it to disappear tomorrow. So my current plan for paying off debt is to pay the minimum payment, which you'll see down here, and then with my first paycheck, and then pay an extra payment with my second paycheck of the month. This way, it keeps me motivated by seeing the numbers go down, and I feel more in control over my money by just continuing to see the progress and just see those small victories by eliminating debt. But again, it depends on the individual, as I can also see the benefits of tackling the high interest rate first and paying less interest over time. But again, your money, your budget. So let's go ahead and continue here. So under personal loan here, I have 25. 25. Let's go ahead and cross that off. Citi credit card, it's going to get $50. And then under Visa, it's going to get its minimum payment of 75. Okay. So that takes care of debt. And then similar to the bills category, I'm just going to put this money in the debt envelope and put it aside until next paycheck. Next, for my day-to-day expenses, first envelope is groceries, which does include household items. I don't have any money left over, but I'm still going to continue to budget $220. So there's 100, 220. Now, if anyone was wondering why the extra $20, it's for couponing. I set a budget of $10 a week for myself for couponing. And that reminds me, I have a quick story time on couponing that happened to me this last weekend. I had a friend join me because she wants to learn how to coupon. So while we're in the store, I was explaining the deals, the promotions for this week. We were probably in there for a good hour before we went over to the cashier and checked out. Everything was going through without a problem. Perfect couponing day. However, as I was trying to leave, my friend had this confused look on her face and asked me, "What just happened?" At that moment, I realized that was the same look when I first started couponing. So I responded, "Couponing just happened, and we'll see you next week for another lesson in couponing." So now when someone asks me, "How many languages do you speak?" I will ask, "Does couponing count?" I sure think so. But for anyone who's starting out, please don't give up. It will take time to learn, but I promise it will make sense and you'll get it. Plus, it will save you a lot of money. So much money you can save by couponing. Oh, and don't forget to keep a tracker on the back, as you want to know exactly how much money you have at all times. I just think this helps help build control of your spending and not overspend. So let's see here. So next is dining out. I have $20 budgeted. I didn't have anything left over. So let's go ahead and add $20 to this envelope. Next is car. Let's see here. I don't think, nope, nothing left over, but I'm going to increase the budget to $75 to start saving up for yearly fees here soon. So $50, $75. And next, health. It's going to get its usual $20 as we have dental appointments coming up, and I want to save up for the co-pays. So let me check how much is in here. So we have 20, 40, 50 now. Okay. So 50 under health. Next, under clothing, I will budget $10. $10. Now, I did spend, I think it was $40 here. I found some awesome clothing sales this last weekend. So let's see how much we have now. So it should be 110. So 110 clothing. Entertainment is next. I don't have anything, but I will add $20 this week. And then miscellaneous, empty also, but then I'm going to budget again the $20 for those life happen moments. So that takes care of day-to-day expenses. Up next is a savings category. Since there was $95 in extra income, I'm going to actually split it up, and I'll put $50 towards future funds, and then the other $45 I'm going to put it in the savings categories or savings challenges. But as I mentioned earlier, since I have new envelopes for future funds, I'm going to start using those going forward next time I do my budgeting. So let's see here. So future funds, $50. And let's see how much we have saved so far. So 30 and 80. So 70, 80. Save under future funds. And then saving challenges. Oh, let's see, 45, 20, 40, 45, and we have 25 in here, so that brings it up, brings it to 20, 40, 60, 70 under savings challenges. So let's see here. So last, let's look at our budget summary. Every dollar is accounted for, so zero left over, zero left over. So all dollars have been accounted for. So I'm going to end my video here. Hope everyone is meeting and exceeding their money goals so far in the year. If not, we just started a new month, so a new opportunity to try again. And always remember to give yourself a little grace and celebrate those small victories. You'd be surprised how much more money you can save when you are intentionally saving and spending less. Until next time, always remember to go out there and make a difference in someone's world, just like Budgets by Zadora. And please share this video, as this will help reach other individuals who are also searching for ways to change their life financially. You never know who can benefit from this message and make their day a little better. And if you like this video, click on that like, subscribe, and notification bell so that you don't miss any future videos. Thanks everyone. We'll see you in my next video. Bye.